So what do you do after a successful evening? After you are done with an event, what do? You just load up and get home as quick as you can? Do you go out to Denny's with your buddies and talk about how well it went? Or do you take a few moments to just sit in the silence that happens when everything is all done? Hi, it's Bill. This is Creative License, and I just got done with an event up in Nisswa, Minnesota. Behind me is the boathouse at the Quarter Deck Resort, and here's the resort behind me. The event got done about 45 minutes ago, and I walked over to the bungalows where the bride, the groom, and their friends were to drop a couple of things and to thank them again for hiring me. They gave me a lovely check and a card and a couple of really nice hugs, even though maybe it's not the best idea to be getting a hug this time of the world. But then I got to go and walk from their room to that, I don't know if you can see it again. See back there? That's the place where I was. Across the parking lot to the silence. It's a beautiful full blue moon above me. It's cool and crisp. I'm alone. And what I get to do is just be in it, right? I get to just be in the idea that from the beginning of the night, the moment people began to arrive, to the end of the night, it was my responsibility to be sure that the evening went beautifully, that the evening went smoothly, that these people were as happy as they could be. And I got a chance to do that. I was given that responsibility, and they gave it to me without hesitation. Now, something like that is not something you get. You know, it's a gift that most people don't get to have, no matter what job they have. But it is, of course, earned by the time that you spend with people, and the care and the love that you give them, and the promises you make. And if you're lucky and you care enough, you can deliver on those promises. And then when you do, it is so rare that people actually deliver on promises like that, that they are unbelievably and exquisitely grateful, which makes all of it unbelievable and so worth it. I have a really great job. This is a really great thing we can do. And if you haven't taken the time to walk quietly after an event and think about how much people love you and how great of a job you have, then you're missing out on one of the best parts of the job that we have. What do you think of this? I'd love to know what you think. Write your comments below, send me a note, reach out to me. Either way, thanks for being a part of this little show that I do every week. I'm Bill. This is Creative Licensing. See you next time.